Hello all, welcome to the day 71 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. Consider the mapping f from A to B is defined by f of x is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2 such that f is a bijection. That is, it is both 1 to 1 and on to. Question 1. What is the domain of the function? F of x is given by x minus 1 upon x minus 2. So when we say domain of the function, we have to find out what values the x can take in. The given function is a rational function, which means this is of the form f of x is equal to g of x upon h of x, provided this h of x cannot become 0, since division by 0 is not possible. So, in our given function, we have x minus 2 in the denominator, which means x cannot take 2. If it takes 2, denominator will become 0. Division by 0 is not valid. Therefore, x does not take 2. Therefore, domain of f is all real numbers except 2. Question 2. What is the range of the function f of x? That is, we have to figure out the output of this function. For that, let's take y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Yx minus 2y is x minus 1 and x times y minus 1 is equal to 2y minus 1. X is equal to 2y minus 1 upon y minus 1. That is, we are writing x in terms of y. Again, this is in the form of a rational function where the denominator cannot take 0. We have a y minus 1 in the denominator. This y cannot take 1. Y should not be equal to 1. Therefore, range of f is r minus 1. Question 3. If g of x is from r minus 2 to r minus 1, how can the function g of x in terms of x be expressed if it is defined as g of x is equal to 2 times f of x minus 1? So g of x is equal to 2 times f of x is given as x minus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1. Getting the LCM, we get 2 times x minus 1 minus x minus 2 upon x minus 2. On simplifying, we get x upon x minus 2. So this is g of x in terms of x. The R part of the question 3. Under what condition is a function f of x considered to be 1 to 1? A function f of x will be 1 to 1 if distinct inputs in the domain produce distinct outputs in codomain. F of x is considered to be 1 to 1 if distinct inputs in the domain produces distinct outputs in the codomain. Or in other words, we can say that no two different inputs gives same output. This can be expressed mathematically also if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, which means that the outputs are same. This implies x1 and x2 refers to the same element. That is, x1 and x2 are one and the same. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.